All right, guys, as you can see, we finally got the kit here. It finally made it home, and now it's just time to get it back in the truck or get her installed in the truck. And as you can see, we went with Rough Country, and we got the premium shock absorbers. And yeah, we got all our hardware for the rear, because we're gonna start on the rear just to make it a lot easier and get the easy part done first, and then worry about the front, because the front is gonna be the most difficult part. So we're gonna save that for the last, so we can spend most of our time there. But enough of me talking, and let's get this install going. Alright guys, so just like that, we got this side out, the first shock. Man, it's all rusty. Alright, let's compare to the other one. Yep, much better, much better. Now we gotta get that bad boy in there. Alright, so let's cut to that. Alright guys, so as you can see, it's getting really dark and it's hard to see, especially for the camera. So I'm gonna just end this part and continue on the next day. So I'm probably also gonna just go ahead and finish the rear, and I'll just show you how it looks at the end. So I got one shock in, so let me just show you that. Let me show you how that came out. Honestly, it doesn't look too bad. I mean, it looks really good. As you can see, much better than the old rusty looking one that I had on there. But yeah, as you can see, we barely have any light, and it's just kind of hard to see, and especially that I'm kind of low-key dark, it's hard to see me too. So I'll catch y'all the next day. All right peeps, so this is the next day. As you can see, we were not able to finish recording because it got dark on us, but I went ahead and just got the rear end done, so y'all don't have to, you know, watch me do all that. I mean, it's pretty simple, but actually not really. Those blocks did take a bit and a little bit of maneuvering. So if you're ever going to install some blocks, make sure your shocks both sides are off, so that way you have enough play to move the rear end. And yeah, as you can see, man, you got that brand new Rough Country shock in there as well on the other side, and we got all this all done last night. And man, it took a while, but we got her done. So as you can see, we're moving on to the front. Look at that. That's not cool. We need about another 3 inches, like about right here. This is how high we need it. But we're gonna get that to today, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so you see we got everything out. The strut's finally off. As you can see, it's right here. It was kind of a bitch to get out, but we got her out. And along with the control arm, this thing kept spinning, so we had to cut, you know, the rest of it off so to make it work. But as you can see, we got all the new parts right here. Our struts with a 3-inch added to it, and along with our upper control arms, and all that's going to be installed today. And as you can see, we got this tool right here that we're going to compress the spring. Not too fan of this setup, but it should work. And yeah, let's get to it. What's up, guys? So we finally got everything now, but we ran into another problem. Our spring, when we were taking it off the strut, that spring was destroyed and it was just broken. As you can see right here, it's just broken, and I didn't really notice it, and I was driving this thing like that for I don't know how long, and yeah, and it's destroyed. So we're gonna have to order another part, another springs for both sides, but I'm gonna get some nice ones to get on there so it can look all fucking clean. But I do want to give a special shout out to my boy George for coming in clutch and helping me do this job a lot quicker. If it wasn't for him, we would have probably not got any of this thing out, because the dude is just, man, he's just good at what he does. But we were able to get everything out on this side, and yeah, I mean, all we gotta do is just put the upper control arm and then the sway bar link, and then we should be good. But I just want to say thank you for watching, and catch us in the next video where we finally get this bad girl all completed for y'all, and we might, you know, just go to get her stuck or something. We'll see. But make sure you leave a like down below and subscribe, and catch y'all in the next video. All right, the freaking